Hello guys, welcome to our video recipe. Today we will be cooking vegan tikka masala. A very important ingredient of the recipe is tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans. It also has great health benefits. Adding a moderate amount of tofu to your diet can reduce the risk of developing many different diseases. The tofu from bone is especially great to work with. So for the recipe we will need salt, garam masala.
Hey, do you know, by the way, this person can make quite a lot of money from this video?
Yes, I heard that you can even make a living as a YouTuber.
Yes, but it's not that easy because there is big competition out there between the YouTubers.
And what are they competing for?
Actually, they are competing for our attention.
Really? I thought they're just doing it for fun, as a hobby, you know?
Yeah, I guess, but the truth is that our attention is a valuable source.
What do you mean?
I mean that the access to the overwhelming amount of information and the fact that you don't have to pay for them doesn't mean that they came for free. You pay for them with your attention.
So that makes our attention extremely valuable for everyone with something to sell?
Yes, exactly my point. Because if you are not paying for the product, you're the product.
Then dice the tofu into cubes. Together with the cornstarch, salt and oil, shake well in a plastic bag. After that, put the tofu on the baking tin and place in the preheated oven. Start the sauce with heating the rest of the oil. Then add the onion and fry for about 2 minutes. When the onion gets golden, add garlic and stir well. Right after that, add ginger. Wait for 1 minute and then add all of the spices. Mix well. And then add the coconut milk. The coconut milk has always its place in vegan Indian recipes. This brand offers a light milk with a great taste. It's our favorite.
Hey, did you notice they used a different coconut brand than the one they advertised? Did they think we would notice? I guess intention is a very important for marketing strategies then, right?
Yeah, because attention is the portal to people's minds and necessary for all successful communication, from teaching and knowledge presentation to persuasion, seduction and manipulation. And marketing is pretty aware about it. By the way, have you heard about eye-catching animations?
No, what's that?
It's one of the marketing strategies. Basically, they are trying to distract you by quickly moving or flashing objects that catch your attention, which is usually some kind of ad or logo.
So in one sentence, the aim of marketing is to catch your attention and then influence your behavior, right?
Yes, exactly.
Stir again, and now the sauce is ready. You may serve it with tortilla, naan, rice or whatever.
Have you noticed these flashing Hasburger logos?
Yeah, I have the feeling that I have seen something for a sec, but it was very quick.
I think it was there already 3 times before.
Do you think it's also like a hidden one?
I think they might be trying to subliminally convince us to get a burger.
That's not very nice of them.
Yeah, do you want to try out the recipe?
I don't know.